What is the need of insurance? Life insurance has many purposes. The most important, life insurance ensures that your family will get financial support when you are no longer around to care for them. If someone dies during his/her earning years, his/her family could suffer a huge economic loss. With the loss of a loved one, if the family is also left without money to meet their daily expenses and future needs, then the family has to cope with so many crises at the same time. In these situations, the life insurance policy provides cash to the family to continue living comfortably. You will also get the peace of mind by knowing the fact that financial help will be available to your family when you are no longer around them. Benefits of life insurance brings peace of mind. Having a life insurance will give you the peace of mind. Life is uncertain and life insurance can provide financial help to your family when you are no longer around them. Protect your family. Life insurance is about protecting your loved ones. Most of the parents want that their children will be taken care of in future, get good education and every happiness of life when you are no longer around them. Life insurance can help your dependents cover any financial responsibility that is left after your death. Helps in savings. Everyone has some goals in life for which we need to save. Life insurance is an investment option that offers a variety of products for everyone. Life insurance is a disciplined saving. Paying a little money as insurance premium every month will help you to accumulate funds. Tax benefits. Buying life insurance policy is a good way of saving tax. The policyholder is eligible for tax benefits under various sections of the Income Tax Act. As others have pointed out, insurance spreads the risk. Now overall, you can argue that insurance is inefficient because it costs more, as evidenced by the profits gained by insurance companies. But that only looks at costs. If you look at outcomes, insurance is better because everybody lives, or rather, nobody dies because they can't afford medical treatment. A lot of the savings in the system from not having insurance comes from people dying. There are ancillary benefits as well. A lot of the cost of treatment is actually the energy expended by the doctor or hospital to make sure they are paid. If everyone had insurance, that would be mitigated. Because the insurance company has an interest in keeping you healthy, preventative treatments like regular checkups become encouraged. This can catch a problem when it is still small and cheap to treat, thereby lowering the overall cost. Maybe you oppose insurance on doctrinal grounds. The invisible hand of the free market is supposed to be the greatest generator of wealth ever after all. However, capitalism requires free entities making rational decisions. And when it comes to healthcare, that requires knowledge most people don't have. Unless you are a doctor yourself, you don't know the prices of competing treatments or how to evaluate their pros and cons. If you are in an accident, you can't decide to go to a distant hospital because it is cheaper. You have little control over your own treatment. Sure, they will get your consent, but do you really know the intricacies of what you are agreeing to? For most people, it simply comes down to trusting the doctor. Thus, healthcare is a poor fit with free enterprise. You can't do it on your own, not effectively anyway, and if not insurance, then you need a fully nationalized health service. Insurance is a game of chance. Problem is, your life is not a chance, it's your life. That is, take healthcare for example and say the odds of dying from some awful, expensive disease is 1 in a million. That's not comforting odds to the 1 millionth person who contracted it. Long-term and serious illness can quickly wipe out your life savings and devastate your family. So insurance in theory should protect against the worst case. On the other hand, many horrible problems can be avoided with regular checkups, tests, etc. Those are expensive too, so insurance companies do special deals with doctors to lower the cost of prescriptions, exams, etc. so you pay less. They do this because then you are less likely to get a serious illness. Therefore they are saving you money and you are less likely to need that insurance, and in theory everyone could win. The problems come in when too many people get too ill and the insurance companies have to pay out a lot. Then they have to raise the cost to keep profitable, and then everyone starts to lose. I'm ignoring corruption, price gouging, unnecessary plan requirements, etc. So ideally, the more people use personal responsibility and stay healthy as best they can, the more likely insurance can be a good thing. This is true of most insurance such as auto. If people drive safely, then insurance can remain inexpensive. Otherwise,